Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Rahil, sit properly.
Ma'am.
Good
Children,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. So, what do you think? What are we going to do today? Which
Ma'am,
And I
first
think
we
we are
will
going
ma'am,
to
we are
make
going
a
to make
sari
pink eye
on the
color
paper.
one
and we
by
will
one,
paste it.
one by one,
Ma'am, Vivan
Trisha will
Patel.
explain. Yes,
Vivan Patel.
Trisha. Wait, Vivan. Trisha, you know what are we going to do today?
Ma'am,
What
I
we have
think we are
started.
going to make something with lady finger on this paper, or we are going to make a sari.
What else except this?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, we are
Yes,
going to
Rudra.
make some with
Others,
lady finger on the
there,
paper.
there. Wait for your turn. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, we are going to make a pattern from lady finger.
Yes, Vivan Patel. What are we
First
going
we
to do
will
today?
first we will dip this lady finger in the color and we will paste it in the exercise paper.
Okay. Yes, there.
Ma'am, we will make designs and then stick in our notebook.
Okay. Now I will tell you first what we have to learn.
So,
First, we are going to learn the rules of the pattern as we have already started the chapter pattern, right? So there are some rules of the pattern that we will revise and we will learn as we have started with the turns also. Vivan, you will only unmute your mic when it is necessary. Jishna, mute yourself, please. Otherwise, you children face the problem and my voice will echo and you will not able to hear it. Okay, so stop Vivan now. Stop painting. Stop painting, Vivan. Please pay attention here. So first, we will learn some rules related to the patterns. Okay. So now I'm going to present you my screen and I'll show you something.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Sapna, yes. Ma'am, it is like this. It is okay. I've cut the tomato.
Aryaman, we will talk it later now. Okay. Now just check children. Is the screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now mute yourself
Yes,
everyone.
ma'am.
See, there is a rule of the pattern which is followed here. Children, I will not start my class until your mics are not off.
जहान जरीवाला.
Jahan Jariwala, please mute your mic. When I am explaining something, you please keep your mics off. Yes, so we first learned some pattern rules. Here, the square has been
Ma'am,
used.
your voice is echoing.
Let me, okay, let me see.
No, ma'am, it is clear.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I will not use this. I will just play this. Just see. First two squares are here. Which shape is this? Which
Square.
square?
Square.
What is the color of the square?
Orange.
Very good.
Orange.
After how many squares the triangle is being used?
Two. One triangle after two
And
squares.
what
Another
and
triangle is used.
what is the color of the triangle?
Green. Green.
Then after triangle, which shape is used?
Diamond.
Diamond. It is not the square, it is diamond.
Diamond.
Then what you observe that after diamond, what is repeating?
Square.
Yes. So now listen to me.
Square, triangle.
Yes. Square, square, triangle, then diamond. And then again, mute your mic. Manrajolia, mute your mic. Trisha, mute your mic. You will only answer when teacher asks.
Rudra, still your mic is on.
Now listen, now see here. This rule is just observe and see. This is called the core rule. And we can make the patterns with the alphabets also. We can make the rules with the letters also.
Ma'am, your
And
screen
we
is
can-
breaking.
And we can make the rules with the colors also. So here first 2 times orange color, then green color, and then diamond is in the blue color. So we can make the patterns with the colors also. We can make the patterns with letters also, and we can make the rules. So this rule is first 2 times orange color, then green, and then blue. So this rule of color is also repeating. So this is the repeated pattern, we can say. And now afterwards, we can make a rule of this pattern with the letters also. Like we say that square is the A letter. So we can make the letter rule also. And we can make the shape rule also. So we can say the square, square, triangle, and diamond. So this is the shape rule. First we have done the color rule. Then we have done the shape rule. Now let's see. We can make it with the letters also. See, if I say that square is A, so means 2 times A is repeating, and then next shape is different, which I can say letter B, and the fourth shape is different, I can say letter C. So the rule is AA, BC. This way we can create many patterns by the rules. I will show you some patterns on my board also. Okay, now see.
Ma'am, but you are not clear.
Kanak ma'am.
Ma'am, you are not visible.
Yes, ma'am, you are not visible properly.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am, you are present. बच्चे, please, I am talking to ma'am now. Renu ma'am, your board is little bit like thoda at a distance na,
Okay.
so it is not clearly visible.
Check ma'am now. Only ma'am will respond me.
Ma'am, little
Ma'am, your
more
screen is
closer. You
breaking.
just, yes, ma'am. Fine.
Okay, thank you ma'am.
Ma'am, now you are visible.
Wait a minute, children.
You have kept one square and one triangle, right?
Square of red means square of orange and a triangle of blue.
Just a minute, I have not yet completed. Now it's visible, Kanak ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Now children, check. Okay, I will put it little down so that it will be clearly visible to you. Yes, first I have put square, then I have put triangle, then I'm going to put the diamond. Okay, so now I will put the dash. Tell me which will be my next shape now.
Square.
Triangle, diamond, triangle.
Very good.
Square,
Now I
triangle,
will open I will open the chat box. Please write in the chat box. My chat
Ma'am,
box is.
ma'am, we have to draw this in
No,
A4
you
size.
have to understand this first. So now you children, please write what will be the next here, and you have to tell me the color also. Which color square will come and which color triangle will come here?
Orange and blue.
Orange and that is blue or the purple?
Ma'am, purple.
Yes, purple color triangle will come. Sorry. So purple color triangle will come here. So this is called the repeated pattern also. And if we want to make a rule of this, we can say that A, B, and C. Then again A, B, and if we have a blank here also, so we repeat the C. So this is called the repeated pattern, and all the three shapes are different, right? Suppose now I change this.
Sorry, ma'am. I looked a lot for the paintbrush and the poster colors, but my mother and father are
It's
out.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now you understand. Look here and try to understand what I'm explaining.
Yeah, ma'am. And I understood why you need all these.
Mhm.
Because you will just make a pattern out of the building.
Yes. Okay. Now, if we make a rule of this pattern, how we will write in the chat box, how we will make the rule of this pattern. And what will be the next?
Ma'am, can I say?
Write in the chat box. And Dharya will tell me, Dharya, which rule is this? If I rule it with the, first tell me the rule with colors.
First, it will be orange, orange. 2 times orange.
Then
Then 3 times triangle.
color, we are doing the rule of color.
Purple.
Then
Purple. Then 4 times yellow.
4 times yellow. Okay. Trisha will tell me rule of shape.
Okay. So the rule of shapes is square, square, triangle, 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 and diamond.
Prisha, what do you observe, Prisha, in this? Is this decreasing or increasing in shapes?
It is increasing.
Increasing in shapes, right? Okay. So again, if I want to repeat the same pattern after diamond, I want to repeat it. So what will come next?
Square orange.
So it will
How
come
many
the same.
squares orange?
Square.
How many squares orange?
2.
Yes.
2
2
squares.
squares in orange color. Yes. Clear? And if I want to make this pattern with the numbers, how I will make?
Ma'am,
2, 3, 4.
1,
2, 3, 4.
No. 1, 1,
1,
2,
1,
2,
1.
2,
2, 4,
3, 3, 3, 3.
3.
Yes? Yes or no?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the rule with the shapes, with the colors, with the patterns, and with the numbers. So these rules we have to follow when we are learning about the patterns. And yesterday I have started about the turns, right? 1/4 turn, okay, half a turn, and 3/4 turn. Now, if this is the square, right? When I take a 1/4 turn of the square, will the shape change?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Will the shape change?
Yes,
When I
ma'am.
take it will not change, right? When I take a 3/4 turn, half a turn of this square, will it change?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. When I take a 3/4 turn of this square, will it change?
No, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am.
But do you know why this is happening?
Ma'am, because we are turning it whole. And because it's three
No.
four.
No, but why?
Ma'am,
Write in the chat box.
symmetrical.
Ma'am,
from all
because
sides.
the
Yes.
sides of the square is
And
same.
because the square is symmetrical.
Then because of the pattern is used in that material, that's why.
No, write in the chat box why. When I turn this shape, why it is not changing, it is same. As Priya said, because it is. Yes, Priya, tell me. All the four sides are also.
All sides. It's symmetrical from all sides. So if we even turn it, then the shape wouldn't change because all sides are equal. So it will seem the same.
Same. Now, if I take a triangle, and if I turn it half, shape is changing.
Yes.
Yes. Because all the sides.
All the sides are not
Now
equal.
following, okay,
Yes.
now following this rule, tell me what will be the next rule. It is first,
Ma'am,
then half.
Up one, up, then down again.
Okay, if I change it like this, 1/4 turn. Now next what will come?
Ma'am, up one and then. Normal.
Ma'am,
Half,
often.
half a turn. Yes or no?
Oh, yes. One more half a turn.
Ma'am, straight.
See now, wait. Now next, this I made. I've done 1/4, then I've done half, then I have again done 3/4. Now tell me what will be the next.
Ma'am, same.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, same. Ma'am, same.
First one will come.
first one will come.
And then normal. Then
Yes, sir, that one.
Then the second
Yes.
one will come.
Ma'am,
Then the third
I
will
have a
come. Then fourth.
Children, let Riddhi ask something. Yes, Riddhi.
ma'am, like in the triangle also the all the sides are same. Then also the triangle's shape is changing.
Yes, the triangle shape is changing because you can see this, no? Edges are also turning.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why its shape is going to be changed. Yes or no? And so on the basis of this turning, and as we have already started the patterns in your textbook, wait, I will show you one page. Can you all see this page? The different page?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
ma'am.
So when you see this page, this is the one block which is used here for painting a sari or dupatta, right? Only one block is used. But with the same block, the different patterns are created. Only with one block. With the turns, using the turns. Like first it is straight, then it is anti-clockwise turn this side. And then it is, wait, let's see. And then it is turn as the half a turn. First 1/4 turn anti-clockwise, half a turn, and then again it shows here. So now see, and the same block is used. So for same block, we are creating a different new pattern with this. So today, with using the same block, as I told you to bring lady fingers, right? So today, with the use of lady finger colors, we are going to create our own pattern. So today, our Sapna ma'am will take this class showing you how to create the patterns. Yes, Sapna ma'am, please start.
Yes, ma'am. Beta, are you able to see this paper in my hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First this border pink and blue. Yes.
Children, please
Ma'am,
respond
it's
to
clear.
Yes,
Sapna.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can we
Yes,
use
ma'am,
any
it is
colors?
visible.
And this one,
Sup-
green and pink.
Ma'am, this is blur.
No, ma'am.
Can't see properly.
Children,
And in
listen
this
to me now.
triangle, are you able to see this? Yes, ma'am.
Sapna ma'am, just a minute, just a minute. Let me give them the instructions. Children, you can use any colors if you don't have the same colors, but follow the rule of the pattern. If ma'am say 2 times purple, so if you have a green, use 2 times green. So you have to follow the pattern the way ma'am is teaching you. Colors you can choose of your choice. Okay? Am I clear now? Now no one will repeat the same thing. Sapna ma'am will start it and no one will say it's blurred or it's something. It is clearly visible to me also. Yes, Sapna ma'am, please start.
Okay, ma'am.
Will you
See,
stop presenting?
Yes, Lamha, you can use color paper also, no problem.
here I have used blue, red, blue. Again, red and blue. In this one, red, blue, red. And blue and red. You have to repeat this till the end of the paper. Like you will start from here and end it here over here. Able to see?
Any color? Ma'am, do we need water?
You don't have to take water. Just shake your color bottle first before using it. Okay?
And can we choose our colors, like if I want to do blue, red,
Yes,
blue?
yes, you can use
Any
your own
color you can take. Whatever you have, you can use any color.
Ma'am, so ma'am, we have to start with here, and they just
Sapna ma'am, you show them from the beginning.
Yes, ma'am. I'm showing them. We will start from here. Okay? And end it over here. How I am doing?
and the whole page we have to do like that.
Ma'am, your
Screen is breaking.
Sapna ma'am is show. Make that. Wait a minute. Rudra, wait a minute.
Sophia, I am showing you.
Everyone mute yourself, please. Listen to ma'am. First, ma'am is showing you how to create a
My
border.
page is visible. Ma'am, my page is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
First, I am
your
taking.
page is not visible.
You have to
ma'am, am I
pin.
visible?
Yes. You have to pin to ma'am. Make it little clearly. It is visible only half. Yes, now it is little bit more visible.
I have taken half only, ma'am.
Yes,
So they can be able to see.
yes. No, ma'am. Start with them.
First, I am taking pink color. You can take any color. Take one bindi, dip it into the color. Then take another bindi and dipping it into the green color.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have made.
Ma'am, visible.
let us see, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Little bit blur, ma'am. It is.
Ma'am, I can't see the pattern.
It is little bit blur, ma'am.
Now,
Yes.
Question can I ask?
Visible. Now what I am doing?
Children,
I am
wait,
taking
Dhyan,
again.
wait, Dhyan, wait, Dhyan, wait. We will see.
Now again I am taking green color.
Vansh, very good. But wait, ma'am is teaching something with the color combinations also. So you have to listen to ma'am also.
See, is it visible? Here what I have done, first two pink, then green. In second one, first two green and then pink. Same color alternating only. Visible?
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to repeat this pattern till the end.
You can see ma'am has used two different colors in the middle and upside down also two different colors. She is creating her own border. Can you ma'am bring it little down so that they can clearly see? Yes, now it's visible.
Sapna, ma'am.
You have to repeat this till the end. Now again what we will do?
Rudra, listen the instructions, please.
Now first I am taking two pink.
These are the instructions given by ma'am, and you have to follow this, and after that you can create your own pattern also.
पैटर्न में तो पहला से जो
See,
टीचर
now I think this will be clear to
Jan
you.
Dalal, mute yourself.
Ayush also, ma'am. Ayush, why we are saying again and again? Mute yourself.
Ma'am, you stand in classroom.
No.
Ma'am, can we start?
This is okay.
Beta, you can start. See, like this.
Once you complete, I will see at the end.
Are you able to see the difference in these two? First two?
Who is Fazan? Fazan, you don't have material?
Sapna, ma'am, like this.
I can't
Children, Sapna?
Yes, Daria.
Yes.
Yes, Daria, very good.
Daria, have you repeated the colors in the middle or you have changed the colors? Show me just again.
Very right.
Look, Sapna, ma'am.
Yes.
Very good. Show me, Dhyan. Dhyan, show me. So which pattern, can you explain us how you have used this? Which colors you have used?
Ma'am,
Show us and then explain us.
I have used blue, yellow, and red.
First, Dhyan, show us.
listen. Ma'am,
Yes.
making a pattern like a triangle.
Yes, you have used first two yellow in the middle and then
Ma'am, now make our owning the color.
Vivan is also doing good. Vivan is also creating.
Ma'am, see mine.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am,
Ayush,
ma'am, see mine. Ma'am, see mine.
Ayush, wait a minute, Ayush. Wait a minute. And children, you have to take a permission when you want to ask something. Yes, Ayush, tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you stand in classroom.
Vedi, we are not going to send anything in the classroom. You please attentive in the class.
Ma'am, see mine.
Wait a minute, Lama. Let me clear with Ayush first. Yes, Ayush.
Any problem? What we look
yeah, to directly put the bindi in the color or well, first put the brush in it and then color it out.
as we are
It
seeing,
is your choice.
it's a
If
Beta,
you
what
are
will be
comfortable,
to you, you can do.
6.0.
Now, we are not painting on the paper. See, my work is done.
Renu ma'am will not listen everyone together. Anushka, mute your mic.
Anushka, please mute yourself.
Have to do on the paper now.
Till now, where were you doing, Rihan?
Paper only.
Yeah, to show it us what you have done.
No, ma'am, I have not done. I am doing.
Yes, completed.
Ma'am, see
Renu
mine.
ma'am,
Yes, wait a minute. Yes,
Renu ma'am, this is done. Are you able to see this?
yes, ma'am, I can able to see that ma'am has created a border with the
Ma'am.
pattern. Wait,
Ma'am.
wait, let me explain. Ma'am has created a border by repeating the colors and this pattern. See, first two green colors are used in the middle, and then pink, then green, then pink, and upside first pink, then green, then pink, and then green. So this way ma'am has created a border with the using pattern rules. Now one by one I will call the child name. That child has to show me. You don't need to open your mics. That ma'am, mine is done. You have to write in the chat box that mine is complete, then I will call your names. I will open the chat box. You write your name that my is done. You just only write done. No, there is no mic on. Write in the chat box whatever is the problem. Yes, Vihan, you show it to us, please. Yours is done. Rahil is done. Lamha is done.
Swapna, ma'am.
Without switching on your mic, you have to just put your screen up and show me. Yes, show me your work, Vihan. Vihan, you have to explain also how you have made. This is not clearly a pattern. You can see, observe it. This is not clearly a pattern which is not visible.
I am making like Swapna, ma'am only.
But it is not clearly in a pattern. You have randomly put this design anywhere. Yes, next child is Rahil. Rahil, can you please show us? And children, please be aware that you have to explain also that how you have created your pattern. With the colors. Yes, Rahil, show me clearly. Rahil, show me. Yes. So what you have done here, Rahil, to create this pattern? What thing you have repeated and how you have created this?
Ma'am, I made this.
You have made this. Can you observe that in your pattern what is repeating and what changes in colors? So can you please explain us, Rahil?
Ma'am,
Sapna ma'am is teaching something else also, and those who have done the first one, they have to click Sapna ma'am. She is creating the different pattern also. Yes.
मैम पहले मैं ये करवा लूं.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
हाँ, एक मिनट.
I'm Lamha. Ma'am, I have written in the chat.
Okay, Lamha, you please show me your pattern, and you have to explain us also.
Yes, ma'am. See, ma'am, this is my pattern. Two I have made of Sapna ma'am and two I have made by myself. I have used red and blue color, and I have made a triangle which is of blue, red, and blue. And then I have made which is of yellow and green, a diamond. And then I have made two standing lines with blue and red mix and yellow and green mix. And then I have made a curved square with two of them using.
Okay, and then you repeated the colors and shapes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next style is Jahan Jariwala. Jahan Jariwala.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please show to us and explain us.
Yeah, ma'am. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, so I have done two dark browns on the top and two light browns on the side.
Okay, good. and this second one is not properly made. So just check. When you are creating the pattern, you have to see the angles, you have to see how it is properly made or not. Yes?
Yeah.
Next child is Migdad Motiwala. Someone mic is on, so mute your mic. Yes, Migdad, please show me and explain me.
Ma'am, I have repeated only one part.
Okay.
And I have not made different shapes. I have just repeated triangle by changing the color pattern.
Okay.
First row, I have done red, blue, and then the second one, I have done blue, red, blue.
Okay, but it is not properly in a neat way. So make that try to do the neat work. Yes.
It's pulled a bit.
Yes. I have to go to next Priya. Priya, yes, please show me your work.
Ma'am,
Yes. So Priya, can you explain us what you have done in this pattern?
ma'am, I have repeated this shape, and then I have done the colors alternate, like first up and down pink, then blue in the between, and up and down blue, then pink in the between.
Okay. Thank you. Nicely created. Now create your own pattern.
Okay, Renu ma'am, I
Yes,
am
yes,
leaving.
ma'am.
Huh?
Thank you.
Renu.
Now
Okay.
create your own patterns also, different patterns. Now have you observed that? Yes, Sapna ma'am.
One time is over or still there is a time?
1 or 2 minutes.
Shall we do one last one?
Yes, yes.
Beta, are you able to see this triangle in 3 colors?
One time is
Yes, my dear, we can use 2-3 minutes more. Have you
Ma'am,
observed?
visible?
Yes, yes, visible, ma'am.
See, first red, blue, green. Again, blue and red. In second one, blue, green, red, green and blue. In third one, first is green, then red and upper blue. Again, red and blue. You have to create this. Again, you have to repeat this.
Now, which will come next? Ma'am, you asked from them, which will come next? Children, which will come next?
First, color
Renu ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can create our own pattern.
Yes, you can create your own pattern, but see the rules how Sapna ma'am is
Everybody can
explaining.
do take their turn. So
Ma'am, this is okay.
It is her.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes, wait a minute.
Okay, fine. Now let's move.
And children, you have to create at home also some patterns and you show me in the next class on Monday. First, see the pattern of ma'am, what ma'am is teaching you.
Beta, first observe this 3 and tell me which color will first over here.
See, ma'am is asking something.
If we are repeating this only, then which color will first come over here?
Ma'am, can you please show them clearly? The first one is not visible.
Visible?
Yeah. Yes, yes, now visible. No, bring it little more down. Now it is visible. See, red, blue, green, red, then green, red, blue. Then what will be the next now?
Ma'am, see.
See, first red is down, then red is up, then red is in middle. Then what will be the next now?
Ma'am, see.
Children, please check.
Beta, answer this.
Answer this, what ma'am is asking. First, red is down, then red is up, then red is in middle, then again red has to come down, Am I
Down.
clear or not?
Red, blue, green.
Yes.
Red, blue, green.
Yes. Then
Very good.
ma'am, please, you create this by your own and tell them this is the next
Ma'am,
now.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. See.
Yes. Wait a minute, my dear.
First, which color? Red.
Then blue.
Red. Then
Blue.
again blue and down red. And on the top, which color will come?
Green.
Very good. In second one, which color will come first?
Blue.
Blue, then
Blue, then green.
which color down?
Then red.
Down, down.
Down blue.
And on top,
Green.
which color is left?
Green.
Which color is left over here? Beta, which color is left? Blue, green, and
Red. Red. Renu ma'am,
now
see
which
the-
color will come first?
Very nice. Very nicely created. But with this, when you are using your name, you can create one blue in L only. You can create one blue, one red, one blue, one red. Then it will be
Ma'am, I have
nicely
done
looking.
that only. L I have done in blue, A I have done in red, M I have done in blue, H I have done in red.
Yes, very good. Very nice. So
See,
children,
this is complete.
yes, see the pattern how ma'am has created and the border ma'am has created with repeating the pattern. So this way we have learned how to create our own patterns. Yes. Yes,
And do
Megha.
I have to make another pattern with another here? And today we have CT of English. Can I do?
Yes, now listen to me.
Ma'am,
Listen to me,
Bye,
Megha. Megha, listen to me first.
yes, ma'am.
Children, you have to create now your own pattern using some rules the way I have explained you, right? And if it is a repeating pattern, so you have to take care about the color also. You have to take care about the way shape will come. So with this, notice like no, with the colors, with the shapes, then you have to create your own patterns and show me on Monday. So we have done with today's class.
Bye,
Thank you, Sapna ma'am. You all have to say thank you to Sapna ma'am also. Please say thank you to Sapna ma'am. She has taken her time and she has
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Complete your task and share it with your ma'am.